Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at the market. The bubble is popping. Why so? Let's talk about all of that in this video. I'll take you over a couple of stocks here to show you a bigger picture of the things what's happening, because the price action what it's speaking to us today is nothing short of worrisome. Okay, you gotta be worried now. Your portfolios are popping now. Your bubbles are popping now. It's over. It's kaboom. Okay, so before going further, as always, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes, just sharing my opinion. Please do your own thing. I don't know why I feel like laughing, but okay, anyways. This is wow, like so the pop is happening, okay? The bubble is just popping in our faces. Okay. So we had Nvidia's earnings yesterday. Like this, just not Nvidia. Like even let me show you Tesla. Good run up in the morning, but then it's selling off now. S&P 500 good run up, selling off. Nasdaq 100 selling off as well. Bitcoin down to 86,000. All right, it's flushing to the next level below. I'll talk here about that as well. So let's get back to Nvidia's chart here for a second. So Nvidia had its earnings yesterday. The beat on the look, Nvidia was the last thing that if something would have to sustain, Nvidia could have made it sustain. And the way the post earnings happened, the way the price action was looking until then was good, really awesome. It really pushed up the market yesterday. However, as I always say, I want to see the next day as well in the market after the earnings as well. And so this is what we are seeing. Market is popping. Okay, popping. Bubble is popping. I mean, so 57 billion they reported, estimated was 54 billion, so they reported higher, and also they guided estimated for 64 billion for the next quarter. I mean, this is nothing. I mean, you can't ignore it. It's amazing what Nvidia is doing. However, market stance right now, the way things are, market says no matter what you do, it's we just don't want to keep them, we just don't want to buy at these prices. We want to exit out from the market no matter whatever happens from here on. Market says that it's time to pop it. Okay, so anyhow, and that's what is unraveling in the market today. Nvidia, it was important for it to stay above 191 at least. Okay, it unfortunately didn't do that, and once we lost it, this is a problem. This was 191 was the first zone. We had to stay above it today to really push through in these momentums on Nvidia. It failed it. It's over. It's kaboom, and we are down. And it is a problem in the structure, because everything is great in the guidance and earnings, but it fails to sustain the price action. Looking at AMD, big huge sell-off candle today. AMD, as I have said previously, also I expected a downside to 108 and 85. But yesterday, as I said, earnings can change. Things did a little bit turn around, but AMD, I did mention that you still gotta be letting it go above this level, above which it rejected today, right at that level. So anyways, things are really looking bad. Tesla, as I showed you early on, was looking to push higher, and it was really good at 429 in the morning. However, it gave up all of those day trade gains now. So just was a day trade play technically today. Get out then once it start to lose the structure. And now we are again just heading lower. You pick Microsoft, also collapsing. Microsoft was already weak. Anyhow, so any stock you pick here, it's really a problem in the market. Anything that was gapping up is continuing to sell off. That's your Amazon. We can take a look at the coin as well. Coin is also continuing to sell off. It was already bearish. It's continuing to sell off though. How can this not be the bearish market? We have been in the bearish market for quite some time. So even, and for at least more than a week. So or close to a week, I would say. And MicroStrategy also completely deflating, and MicroStrategy also has to do more with the Bitcoin as well. And if I show you Bitcoin, Bitcoin is getting to 86. Right now it's at 86,000. The next zone is around 75,000 to $73,000. We may be now, if yeah, looks like it's flushing lower, so that's very likely the outcome. But Bitcoin, I have explained in previous videos as well what you have to watch for that on the channel as well. You can check those video out. But the thing is that at this point, well, United Health Group is a little bit standing, at least in a way that it's not really following the sell-off. But there is very little to see in the market which like is holding any strength. Everything is collapsing right now. It's popping. I don't think there is much, at least on your end. I mean, you can't save the market. You have to follow the market. That's how you make the money in the market, right? And as I'm saying about that, guys, so I'm starting a new portfolio of mine just for the members. You can follow along as I make my buys and sells. You will get instant alerts and everything. If you're interested in that service, check out the details in the description of this video. You will find this form. You can join the wait list. The portfolio start date is around 10th of December and it will be logged in. So whoever joins by 10th of December, that will be it. I'll share more information how to join the service, but you can join the wait list to receive all that information. And then from there, we'll send you the details in coming days. But yeah, 10th of December is the start of this portfolio. And because since it's a portfolio, if anyone joins after 10th in this portfolio, you will not know everything from the start, right? How the positions are being built. And if you join in the middle, then you would be a little bit lost, like, okay, now what to do? Because it's a portfolio management, right? It's not that you can join anytime in the middle and then you would know whatever is happening, right? It's from the start. So there's a lock-in period on this thing, 10th of December. By then, if you join, you will be in this service. If you don't join, you're gonna miss out. All right. So anyways, so yeah, looks like, guys, it's time that we go in the bear mode. Well, not just, again, price action is depends all on the price action, but this is where eventually we'll have a lot of opportunities to really buy things at a really good prices. My portfolio, as I'll build it, it's gonna be really awesome for the long term, because and if you're a member on those services, you will get to see everything what I'm doing. But this is the time to shop around good stuff and at good places and with good confirmations. All technical way we'll manage that portfolio and all that good stuff. All right. Oracle also continuing lower. I mean, you pick anything. Palantir also collapsing. Palantir was already negative for us, so nothing much to, nothing changes here on this thing. So tomorrow we might see another, most likely a sell-off day. But anyways, that's all I had for you guys in this video. I don't expect things to change by the end of the day. But if they do, I'll talk. If they don't, we'll stay with the plan, right? All right. Anyways, that's all, and we'll see you in the next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.